Hello, this is Trevor of Tiger Car Cleaning in Melbourne, Australia. Just shooting a little video here to show you my setup for cleaning this fleet of vehicles today. So, obviously to do the interior, we have our Kerrick Rocky 115 vacuum hooked up to our little power box, which obviously provides us with safety switch and overload protection. Products we're using here, we've got our Tyre Shine, which is today Auto Smart High Style Non-Silicon, Auto Smart Smart Glass for cleaning the windows, Auto Smart Air Fresh Berry Fragrance for deodorizing the interior to finish. Our other bits and pieces we usually have, which most of those not required on these vehicles today. Dirty cloths, rinseless wash bucket ready to go for the next vehicle. Practically using the Gary Dean wash method today with a bit of a difference, which I'll show you in the next clip of me doing the vehicle. The cloths that we're using, so here, waffle weave drying towel. These are the Morgan brand, available from Bunnings, though they were clearing them out, I think, so they might not be available. Safety glasses for when we're doing the wheels with the spraying the degreaser. Kirkland cloths from Costco, that's for wiping down the interior. Our black microfiber cloths, which I'm not going to tell you where I get those from because it's a secret, but you can buy them from me if you want. Some small waffle weave towels for cleaning the glass. These are unfortunately discontinued from a supplier in Australia called Zen Automotive Supplies. 60 by 40 centimetre plush one side, small nap the other. Microfiber towels. These ones are Chemical Guys El Gordo, I think they are. Again, short nap one side, long the other. They're just 40 by 40 centimetre, those ones. And our Kerrick Turbo Quickie 890 pressure cleaner, or something along those lines. The newest addition, which I'm using for the first time today, is a 12 volt pump, which hooked up, got just basically it's air hose there to a garden sprayer. That product is actually in their Auto Smart Jet Degrees, diluted at about 1 to 9. So I put 2 litres in there and then filled the rest up with water to make it 20 litres altogether. And we're just running the 12 volt pump from a jump starter pack that I got from Super Cheap Auto. Good little unit that obviously can jump start a car should the battery be flat. Run 12 volt appliances off there. Has a little bit of a light. It has an air compressor built into it as well if you needed to pump up a tyre or a ball or something like that. Charges from either 240 volt or 12 volt connectors that come with it, or you can actually buy a battery charger and charge the battery directly from this connection at the back here. And it also has a USB socket to, you can just plug your USB cable into that to charge your phone, rather than needing to use the actual 12 volt adapter. So that was, I got that on special, almost half, I don't know what it was about 130 bucks, I think. Normally about 180, 190 or something, but yeah, it's handy for all sorts of things. But today, that's what I'm, obviously I could just run that 12 volt pump off the car if I needed to, but I'm using that to pump out the degreaser to do the wheels and all just the lower sections of the vehicle, rather than what I'd normally probably use is a 5 litre pump up spray, a garden a garden type sprayer that you might use for killing your weeds and things like that. 5 litres isn't quite enough. I've got 7 vehicles to do here today, and sometimes I just, for other jobs, might just have a 1 litre pump up sprayer, as I showed you in there for doing even one car or something like that. So you've got to have the equipment to get the stuff done. I'm sort of trialing this pump because what I want to do is my day-to-day work. I want to try and actually run straight out of the back of my wagon only, would not have the trailer. So I've got things, as you can see in there, my shampooer, bulk chemicals, other bits and pieces that I don't use all day, every day. So if I was doing a detail or something, then I can take my polishers and my shampooer and other bits and pieces with me in the trailer. My day-to-day work, which is mostly what I'm doing here today, just a good clean inside and out of vehicles, regular maintenance cleaning. That's what my business is based on. I'm hoping I can set up enough to just run it all out of the back of the wagon, which will save me a lot in setup and pack up time, and make it a bit easier for parking at jobs. So that's a rundown of what we've got here today to get the job done, and I'm just going to have a little bit of morning tea. It's about 9:45 in the morning at the moment. I've already done 3 vehicles, so I've got 4 to go, but the system has been working really well today, so I thought I'd take the time to make this video to show you what I'm using, and then I'm going to set up and actually record the whole cleaning of the next vehicle. So it might be a bit of a long and boring video watching me clean the whole thing, but it'll give you a bit of an idea of what I'm doing and how long it takes.